Yeah. Yeah, we there it is. So we have finally gotten a sunny day. I don't know how long this is gonna last, y'all. Well, actually I did look and see that we'll have sun today, but we might expect some we may be having some rain in the next 2 days, and then it's gonna kind of like skips. And for me, I am just thankful that we're having a sunny day today. I think I'm going to take advantage of the fact that we have sunshine today, and I'm going to go for a walk because I have not been on a walk because we've had all of these rainy days. And yeah, so I haven't been getting out to do my walk. And to be honest, I have not made up for it by going to the gym. I gotta tighten up. I have been doing decently on my food intake and on, of course, on my medication. I've gotten past that nausea feeling that I was feeling most of last week, and I was starting to attribute it to my medication, Wegovy 0.9. But when I look, or 9 milligrams, when I looked on the site and just kind of reading about it, that wasn't it. Because if I was going to get that reaction most likely would have happened, let's just put it like that, early on in my taking of that medication, and after a while it subsides. I have been taking that medication for quite some time, so it probably was another issue going on with me, but I've gotten past it. I'm feeling pretty good, and I am also getting a little better about making sure that I have something on my belly early, something light, but I think that makes a difference. Skipping really early, not getting something in my system is not a good idea. I do have some protein drinks that I'm going to add, into my regimen. I want to test them out. I'm not a big fan of, I got some protein powders that I'm not a big fan of, but I need to go ahead and get them all used up. Maybe make some protein coffees and stuff. So I'm going to be working on that. I can do better. I know there's a lot. Everybody can do better every day, and I'm working to do better every day. So yeah, that's my update on that. Okay. Yeah, I used to kind of get the creeps seeing stuff like this, being this close. Anyway, y'all, I'm out here. I just needed to get a few steps. So we are only going so far because there's water on this trail. I think you might remember that I mentioned that when I was going to the store and I was on the highway and I looked down and I saw it. Second person who just told me there's water on the trail, so we only going so far. I wanted to make sure that I got out because I haven't been exercising. Yeah, we'll go so far and come back around and we'll ride all the way through the parking lot to the playground. Yeah, we've gotten so much water. Huh? Out here.
That water, where that thing is, it was a flood right there.
It's a flood. You can see water coming across the trail. Come on, we just
There's
gonna.
no way. Was that grass before?
No, there was no water all the way over here. This water is.
There's no way that had that much water.
Yeah, it's because of all the rain that we've been having. See that? I said, well, I don't want your bike to touch no water because I can tell the water coming across the trail. You see?
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all, I am trying to. So basically, this is where we're gonna have to turn around. Sometimes I think my granddaughter likes to try me. See, typically no water is all the way out here. Come on. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay.
It's like really less water. There's not that much water.
That's a nice amount of water.
No, it's not.
See how he doing? He's taking advantage of going back and forth, so that's what we can do. She said it's really not that much water. You see all that water? There is a nice amount of water out here. So, anyway, I'm just enjoying my time, y'all. Just being out here for a change. Being out here for a change. And I like her coming with me. What are you doing to stay active? What are you doing to move your body? What are you doing to ensure that you're healthy? What are you doing different that's going to help you prolong your days? Are you doing anything different? Do you want to do anything different? Do you feel set in your ways? There's some ways that I have felt set. I've been really I see you, cutie pie. I see you. Yes. What? It's yeah. So anyway, yeah. I am set in my ways in some things. Like I get real defensive about my opinions and my thoughts. So, I'm talking to my people who watching my video. She don't want to show herself, but I'm gonna tell you, this one is my partner because I feel good about getting out and her being with me, so that's a good thing. But anyway, yeah, I get set in my ways. Like when I get real defensive and guarded about my mind, my opinion, my heart, I know what I think, but what I'm trying to do is dial back and not be so hard and set in my ways that I overlook others and their opinions. Now what I want you to do is ride down, but be on the side close to our cars. We're gonna go all the way through the parking lot. Okay? Stay to the right. I really should stay to the right. Yeah. So basically, since the water is in the walkway, we're gonna take a different route. We're just gonna take advantage of this whole parking lot and walk through the parking lot. Yeah. This is a little bit of a, how they say, a nothing burger. If I'm being honest, I'm just sitting here and could still be walking, but walking in a circle seems a little not what I want to do. I'm probably gonna go back on that path and go down until I get to the water again. But I want to give her a chance to swing, and she's swinging. I want to give her a chance to swing, and then she can ride with me because I don't want to leave her all the way over here. We need to be together because there's kids that's about to be out here playing soccer, but it's adults out here. And my grandchild needs to be near me. Yeah, some of that. Thought about something. On yesterday, I am 6 months post total knee replacement surgery. August 17th made 6 months post total knee replacement surgery. And I'm walking on the trail. And I have gotten to a point of when I'm sitting down at work, I don't have like major pain when I get up. Stiffness slightly there, but today was a markedly, I don't know, is that wrong? A marked day where I could literally say, my knee don't feel that bad. Some of what I do feel is if I have swelling. Swelling puts pressure on my knee. So, yeah. And so my swelling has gone down a lot. So I don't feel as tight in my knee. So I just thought I'd pop in and say that. Yeah. Try Jesus. Don't try me. This baby girl of mine is trying to convince me to go through this water. Why would I do that? Who she thinks she talking to? She be trying me all the time, y'all. Look at her. You know what draws a lot of mosquitoes? You know what draws a lot of mosquitoes? I'm coming. Do you know what draws a lot of mosquitoes? This is part of the Stillwater River. All this water is coming over from the Stillwater River.